Hi everyone, welcome to our first tutorial on n8n. Today we're going to be building a simple workflow using a webhook and also a Gmail, right? So a webhook is going to be our trigger for the workflow where we're going to be sending a mail to the Gmail connected to the webhook. So in this tutorial, you're going to be having it like a beginner, totally like a beginner. So if you're not familiar with n8n, you are rest assured that you're covered. So let's dive into the tutorial properly. So what we're going to be doing here is to create a workflow. So let's create a workflow. So creating a workflow, we have our canvas ready for workflow creation. So what we'll do right now is to make this add first step. So we'll be adding our webhook. So this is our webhook coming up. So in n8n, every workflow begin with a trigger. Begin with a what? Trigger. So for this workflow, we're going to be using a webhook as a trigger. So we have other triggers in n8n, webhook, Google Sheet, Google Drive. You can mention all, schedule, trigger. A lot of them are there for you to use as trigger. But for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to be using a webhook, right? So let's use webhook for this tutorial. So we have the test URL, we have the production URL. So for the sake of this tutorial, we're going with the test URL. So we're going to be using the get method. These are the basic type of REST APIs, right? So we have the post methods to send message out, we have the get methods to receive message in, we have the delete to delete, and we have the patch to edit. So for this tutorial, we're going with the get message, right? Get method. So for the part here, we're going to be editing it a bit. So let's change it to send message, right? Let's change it to send message, right? So send message. So we can now click to listen to this event, right? So let's go back. Going back, I'm going to use the zoom to fit, right? So I've used the zoom to fit. So let's add the next notes to it. Let's click on these. What's the next node to add to this is our Gmail, right? Our Gmail. So our Gmail has come up. Our Gmail has come up. Let's click on the Gmail. We have message actions. What action do we want to perform with this Gmail, right? So we have the add to label, delete a message, get a message. What we want to do is to send a message, right? Let's send a message. Oh, we have the parameters coming up right now. This is the parameter. These are the credentials section. So for the Gmail, my credential is already connected, but I want to re-authenticate this for the sake of this tutorial. Let's click on these and sign in with Google. Right. So I'm waiting for it. Okay, let me continue like this. All right. Let's continue with the verification. Okay, let's scroll down and hit the enter button or continue button either. All right, so we have connection successfully. This window will close automatically in 5 minutes. You can see. So let's continue right now. So what message do we want to do? We want to send a message, right? That's our operation. To which of the email? Okay, let's use this. Okay, what is our subject? Okay, hello world. Okay, now what is going to be our message? Our message can be hello, Mr. Alim. Okay, then our email type can be HTML or the text, right? So we're going to be leaving it at HTML right now. Then we hit back to canvas. Then we use the zoom to fit right now. So after using the zoom to fit, what next do we need to do? We need to trigger this event to send a message to the email connected to the Gmail, right? So what do we need to do right now? Let's open a new tab, right? Let's open a new tab. Okay, we've opened a new tab. So let's go to our webhook, open up our webhook. Yeah, let's copy our test URL. Click on the test URL so you can see upon clicking on it, it's going to copy. Then let's go back to canvas. Then what do we need to do? Let's hit the execute workflow. it's the execute workflow waiting for trigger event. So what do we need to trigger this event right now? We need to use the test URL to trigger this event. Let's go to the new tab we opened. Let's paste this, Ctrl V, and let's hit enter. Voila! So we have the message workflow was started. So look at it, back to anything. We have all notes, all trigger, and the Gmail executed successfully. One item passed through the Gmail, one item from the webhook. So let's look at the output section, the log section. So we have the webhook successfully triggered, keep alive. We have the message successfully sent, keep alive for the connection. So that is that about the first workflow we're going to be building on n8n. So let's rename this workflow. Okay, hello world, hello world. So that is that about the workflow. We have just successfully built our first workflow in n8n. So congratulations to everyone. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more video. Don't forget to hit the like buttons and don't forget to share the video with family and friends. Join us in our next tutorial where we'll work with Google Sheet and other tools in n8n. Thank you and we hope to have you in our next class.